Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a Shein haul. I really love shopping with Shein. I feel like they're very inexpensive. I get a lot of items for a really affordable price, and I love showing you guys what I get. I realized when I was like looking through the items that I got a lot of tops. Like, I didn't realize how many tops that I needed. I do have other things in this haul, but it is pretty heavy-handed with tops. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right on into the accessories first. I like to start with the accessories, the purses first, before I show the clothes. So make sure you guys are following me on Instagram if you're not yet following me. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're not yet already subscribed. Like the video, give it a big thumbs up, and also drop a comment down below. And now let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing I have here are these pair of earrings. They're really cute, really pretty earrings. I love the little like cup thingy because it sits up like this. It's really cute, just different. It kind of gives a different like feel slash vibe for really pretty earrings. All right, so these are the next pair of earrings. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. So they're these really pretty lavender, lilac, flowered, jeweled earrings. These are so gorgeous. These are so pretty. These are just a statement, like, oh my gosh. And I feel like the color is like not too like out there to where you can get use out of this. Like, you can wear it with different things. You can kind of squeeze it into different like color schemes. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, you can squeeze it into different things. This is so pretty. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to, but I need to find somewhere to go so I can wear these. These are so cute. All right, so these are the last pair of earrings that I have, and I would say I think between this and the purple one, it's kind of tied. I really love the way these earrings look. So these earrings right here are like a hoop with a beetle hanging off of it. I don't know why I like beetled jewelry, but the actual bug itself is so disgusting to me. But seeing it like bedazzled out like this and jeweled out, oh my gosh, like I just want it. Like, this is so pretty. It's gorgeous. Like, I love the detail that they did. I love the little pearl right there with the black, and then like the little jewel, and then here, it's so cute. Okay, next I got this necklace right here, and honestly, I don't know who I thought I was when I bought this, because this is not me at all. Like, I'm not into such obnoxious looking jewelry. Like, I feel like female rappers wear stuff like this. I don't know who I thought I was, but I thought I was her. It's this really out there necklace with like a red kissy lip. And I love that it opens, like you can just like open it this way. So it's perfect because there's days where you don't have anyone to help you put on a necklace. And I love that it does this, but I really don't know where I real life would wear this to. All right, so that was the last of the jewelry. Next, I have this purse to show you guys. It's this really pretty houndstooth bag. Y'all, this is the third Shein haul that I've done that I've had something houndstooth. I really like this pattern. So it's houndstooth. It has these little gold chains. You can drop it down, wear it like this, throw it over your body like so. So cute. Comes like this. Get paper that stuffs it. And it's just an open bag like that. I don't even know where to start. So this right here is a bodysuit. It is the one that you can clasp at the bottom. It is like a cartoon comic type print bodysuit. I actually think I could like this. I think the reason why I'm not liking it is because I hate the jeans that I have on. These jeans are horrendous. I also got these bottoms from Shein. Let me back up for you guys. Let me back the heck up, okay? So I was thinking I was gonna get some really like, you know, nice oversized mom jeans that were distressed. No. First and foremost, I got these jeans in an extra large because I was thinking that if I get an extra large, that it would become more baggy and I'll just go take the waist in because that's what I was going for. Good thing I didn't do an extra large because I would have not been able to fit into these jeans at all. I normally wear an extra large in like denim or like non-stretch bottoms from Shein, and if they're stretchy, I usually am a size large. This is a no. So let me turn around for you so you guys can see the back leg. This is just so ill-fitting. It has distress like everywhere, but like nothing about this is flattering. It's supposed to be high waist due to the fact that I can't really get it past here like this. should be like up here, because this is where it should be sitting, like where your crotch is. The crotch area is not where it should be. So there's no room to do anything. Like, these pants are so ugly. They're just so hideous. All right, so this is the next top. It is so cute. So it's this off the shoulder top, and it says the word honey on here. I love it. It's cropped. It has a little bit of like the frill on it, super pretty. And then I feel like you can kind of take it up a little bit if you don't want it nearly that off the shoulder. Kind of wear it like this, but I kind of like it like here, you know? Super cute. I mean, there's not really much to say about this. This is really cute. Also, when I placed my order for all of this stuff that I bought, I realized that I had got 2 of these in my order, so I immediately went and canceled it before they had the time to ship it out. They went ahead and processed my return, so I was like, okay, good to go. And then I get my package and I have an extra one. I was just like, wait a minute. So yeah, they pretty much gave me one for free because they gave me my money back, where like I did the return before they even had like processed it, shipped it, or anything. So I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Yay! So to enter the giveaway, to be able to just get this crop top, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like the video, you know, the huge like the video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, and then just leave a comment down below letting me know what your current favorite clothing store or clothing brand is that you like to shop with, and then leave me your Instagram down below so I can contact you if chosen. So yeah, you will be getting this top, and it is going to be a size large. So if you are a size large and you would like to have a top like this, you can enter the giveaway. All right, you guys, so this is the next top here, and it is this really pretty neon pink crop top. I freaking love this top. I love it so much that I got it in 3 other colors. They're all super bright neon colors. This is like a classic piece. Like, I feel like if you're going to get this top, you should get them in every color. I'm really mad at myself that I did not get the royal blue color, and now it's gone. Like, when I say it's gone, like, it's not even an option to, like, you can't even look at it. There's no option to pick it, look at it. It's just gone. The royal blue color is so pretty. I'm so mad that I did not pick it. But yes, they have this in pretty much any color you can think of: black, white, gray, pink, orange, yellow, red, blue. And I got all the bright colors. And I love that it's kind of like a little bit of like a turtleneck, slightly. Something about like a turtleneck just gives a more classy, a more uppity, upscale type of vibe to an outfit. All right, next I got this really chill, boxy crop top shirt. Oh my gosh, like, this is about to be the shirt for a minute. Like, I think I need to go back and get this in any other color it might come in. This tan one looks really, really, really cute. Oh my goodness, I love this top so much. I love the cut of it, I love the feel of it. And the material is very, very soft. It's very breathable. You know what my issue is that I buy a lot of crop tops, but they're always crop sweaters. And the issue with a crop sweater is that it's kind of hard to wear them, in the sense that when it's cold outside, yes, my arms are warm, but my midriff is now freezing. And then when it's warm outside, yes, my midriff can breathe, but now my arms are sweating. So just like, why do I keep buying these when I don't really ever get to wear them? Because I live in Texas and it's always hot. And when it's cold, it's cold. Listen, you ain't finna catch me in no crop top when it's cold, okay? I want to be bundled up. I hate the cold. I love this because this makes sense. Like, this legitimately makes sense. Like, you know, it's cropped, my arms can breathe, like, you know? This is really pretty, and I love this top. Alrighty, so this is the next top. This is giving me very 90s old school vibes. Is it even 90s? Yeah, like 90s Moesha type vibes, like with the little, you know, openness. Like, this is like, I want to be kind of covered, but then I also want to be a little bit sexy. This comes in different colors. So last night I was actually looking at the website, and I was looking at this top in general, and I see that they now have a nude one, which I really wish they would have had that at the time I purchased this, because I probably would have went with that color over this one. But this is still very cute. It looks very good on my skin. Like, I mean, I love rust on me. I love like rusty burnt oranges, but I also do like, you know, nudes, tans type colors. So yeah, this is very cute. And it also comes like a green color too. All right, you guys, so this is the next top, and it is another cropped top that's off the shoulder. It has these really pretty long thingies here. I think you can like tie this up. You can be creative with it. You can create bows. I have to look at the picture and see how the model did. I think she had it tied like this. I don't know. You can get creative with these things here. I just don't know exactly what I want to do with it. I do want to point out that I did get this in a size extra large, and the reason why I got an extra large is because I knew that this right here was going to fit, but sometimes with tops like this, they usually make the arms just a little tighter, and so I hate when it's like squeezing on me. But honestly, I could say that I feel like it gives, like, it's stretchy. Like this right here is like stretchy, so if I wanted to, I probably could have sized down to a large, but I also kind of like the way the extra large looks on me because it's kind of form-fitting, so I can only imagine what the regular size large would have looked like. It probably would have been like just like tight on me. I don't know what that noise was, but yes, I love this top. All right, so this is the next piece. It is this really pretty, like, I don't know, like coat jacket. The top and the jeans I already owned prior, but this right here is so cute, but I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, what are these for? Okay, these right here you use to tighten it up, kind of wear it like this. It does have a hoodie, right? Or did I make that up? Oh, it got a hoodie. It got a hoodie. Ooh, this material is very, very, very thin. Okay, so this is not gonna be what you want to wear to keep yourself warm. But if you kind of live in an area like me where it's usually very warm and sometimes it can get a little cool, I would say this is gonna be very appropriate for like fall weather. Low 70s, high 60s, where if you wear this, you won't be like freezing, but it'll do something. But you can't be wearing this in no 40 degree, 50 degree weather. I'm sorry, you're going to freeze. I feel cool. I feel cool. It does have a zipper and you can squeeze it in. You can definitely tighten it up to kind of give a different look to it. I love this. All right, so this is the next top, and I actually really, really like this. So it is a one shoulder belted blazer. It has this little thing here. Personally, I feel like this is just a tad bit too long, so it's kind of awkwardly sitting there. It does have a clear strap like that they put on it so that it can help like support. Okay, sis, like I look all professional, like don't try me, and then it's like, but I like to be a little spicy. I really like this top. It's cute. I actually really like it. All right, so this is the next outfit. We have a lot of faux leather, fake leather going on here. Let's start off with the top. So I got this top in a size medium because I knew that I would want this to be way more fitted, and to be honest, I feel like I probably could have even went down to a small because I want it tight. It does have the adjustable straps, and even though I have adjusted the straps, it's still not like, I want it like squeezed up on me, like tight, so that way it can support the girls. So yes. Now let's move on to the bottom. So it's these high-waisted like faux leather pants. I got these in a size extra large, and I love the way these fit, love the way they look. This is so gorgeous. I love that it's kind of like semi-stopping, like it's not all the way down to my ankle. I love it. It gives a different vibe and feel to it. It's comfortable. This is so pretty. Put it on and make it wanna marry me. All right, guys, so getting into the shirt was a freaking hassle, like a hassle. Like, but now that I'm in this shirt, it's on and pop. The boob area does look a little compressed, if you can say. It's very, very tight, smushed. I did get this in a size large, and I wouldn't size down, or I mean, I wouldn't size up, just because I love the support it's giving here. Because I feel like if I probably went down one more size, it would have been very loose in this area. I could definitely, like, you know, play around with this, you know, move it around. Let me see. Hold up. Oh yeah. I mean, I don't know. I'll figure it out, but I love it. I love the puffy sleeves on it. I love the material it's made out of. And it is the one you have to zip up in the back. So yeah. And then it does come with this like really pretty like strap. So you take these two straps here that are attached to, tie it up in the back. I personally feel like because of all the detailing of this shirt, this type of top would be really cute with something where your hair is kind of put up so you can kind of see the beauty of this shirt. But I am in love. For anybody who ends up wanting this shirt, I will personally say take the shirt, put it on, zip it up in the front, twist to the back, and then put your hands through the sleeves and then tie it up. That's how I was able to get in this dress. If you try to put it on and try to zip from the back, you're gonna be there all day. So yeah, this is this top. All right, so this is the next piece. I freaking love this. I feel so cool. I feel so cool. Oh, hold on. So this is this outfit, and I got this in a size extra large because I wanted it to be super baggy. I kid you not, I bought this outfit, legitimately bought this outfit to go to the airport in. This right here is your perfect airport fit. You know how like, you gotta be cute getting off the plane. Like going back home, it really don't matter, but like when you're going to your destination, you need to be cute. I always wear makeup on the plane so that way when I get to my destinations, I'm ready. I can start having the time of my life. When I go on vacation, last thing I wanna do is put on makeup, do my hair. I don't wanna do all of that stuff. I just wanna be cute and get lit. So this is cute. You take like a cute little slouchy airport fit. I don't know what that is, but you could take one like that, you know, was good. And then these are the bottoms. It is a cord set, so you do get both. And I got it in an extra large because I really wanted the bottoms to fit. So yes, the top unfortunately came bigger, but I really don't mind. I personally could wear these on their own. This is what it looks like. It doesn't go all the way down to my ankle, but I love this. Throw on some like white sneakers. This is definitely a fit. Alrighty, so this is the last item. And let me just say, I like it. I really do like this top. I'm trying to figure out if I probably should have sized up. Like I like the way the sleeves fit, like they're not too tight, but it is just a little compressive in here. But granted, I do have on a bra, so maybe if I take it off and just wear it without one, it probably will look a lot better. It does have this really pretty ruching here. I love like the little flower petals. Like I love the puffy sleeves. I love that this puff sleeve is in trend because it's really cute. I actually really love this top. This is gorgeous. I can really like this. All right, you guys, so that is the end of this clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love filming these videos. They're a lot of fun. I hope they're informational. I hope they're helpful. Yet again, if you guys are not yet subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below, like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.